Hi, third grade. Today we're talking about the subject and the verb agreement. Now, a present tense verb has to agree with the subject. The last lesson we had was when a subject is singular, we add an S or ES or IES to the verb. Today we're talking about when the subject is plural, we do not add an S, and when the subject is I or you, we do not add an S. So let's take a look at some of these. Okay, looking at the example, a big tree grow in my backyard. Now we're going to add an S to that because a big tree is a singular subject. So we would add S to the verb. Number 1, 3 friends want a tree house in that tree. Now 3 friends is a plural subject. Okay, it's a plural subject, more than one. So we're going to leave that verb just the way it is. So it will read 3 friends want a tree house in that tree. Number 2, you draw a picture of our tree house. Now, remember the rule that says if a subject starts with I or you, you do not add an S. So we're going to keep it at draw. So it's you draw a picture of our tree house. I'm going to have you do 3, 4, and 5. And then on page 165, I want you to write the present tense verb in the right form. So you're either going to follow the rules to add the S or ES or IES, or you're just going to leave it the same. Put it in the black bin, and thank you.